Earn money online from Upwork. How do I make money online with Upwork? Step 1. Identify what you can offer. With the growing popularity of the gig economy and freelance work, many of us find ourselves wondering how to make money on Upwork. It is one of the most popular freelancing platforms in the world, and when a company needs to outsource a task or project, Upwork is the first place they tend to look for qualified professionals that can solve their problem. All you need is a computer and a skill. You too can take advantage of this. Here's what we will cover in this article. What is Upwork? A quick breakdown. How do you get paid? Let's talk money. Upwork commission fees explained. How much you can make on Upwork. How to start making money on Upwork in 3 steps. By the end of this guide, you will know how to earn on Upwork and what you have to do to start making the big bucks. What is Upwork? A quick breakdown. In short, Upwork is a job outsourcing website. A business or individual can reach out to talents in various fields with a task, or alternatively post the job publicly and receives offer from said talent. What kind of task? Upwork caters to almost any type of work that can be done on a computer, with opportunities everyone from algorithm developer to Zendesk specialist. As a talent, you will need to create an attractive profile and fill it with your skills, accolades, and previous works to showcase what jobs you are suitable for and entice customers to select your services. Unless you are well established freelancer, it is unlikely people will reach out to you directly. So you need to write proposals for job posting to convince customers that you are the ideal candidate for the job. Then just do the job, get paid, and move on to the next client. How do you get paid? Let's talk money. One of the biggest annoyances faced by a freelancer is dealing with financials, invoices, accounting, chasing payments. Upwork take care of all of that so you can focus on producing your work instead of dealing with paperwork. The platform doesn't just connect work with workers, but it also serves as a middleman between the two. It ensures payments always happen on time when work is delivered, by essentially making clients pay in advance into Upwork's account. This way, workers are protected from clients vanishing without paying once work is underway completed. You can get paid in one of two ways: hourly or fixed. The client will specify in the job description which method want to use. Upwork commission fees explained. How much you bill the client? Less than $500, 20%, 500 to $10,000, 10%, 10,000 plus 5%. Important note: it is a sliding fee that takes into consideration total billing with a single client. What does that mean? Example will help clarify. If you complete work for client X for $700, then you will have to pay 20% fees for $500, $100, and 10% fee for $200, which amounts to $120 in fees. If you complete more work for the same client, then Upwork take into consideration the previous earning and continues counting from there. Let's say you complete another job for client X for $400. Now you will only have to pay 10% in fee, $40, since you are in the second fee bracket. How much can you earn on Upwork? There is no concentrate answer, as this depends on such factors as what kind of work you do. So let's get into what you need to do so you don't become the latter.